All right, in this video, I'm making beef stew with red wine. But first, we're gonna make some cornbread. Stick around. Saute your bacon until it's crispy, then remove it with a slotted spoon and put it on the side. Now season your beef with salt, pepper, and garlic, and then brown it on all sides. Then remove it to the same dish your bacon is in. Go ahead and toss in your onions and your carrots, brown them, get them soft. If you're using garlic, fresh garlic, go ahead and put that in. Don't burn it, just get it so you can smell it. Now to the same pot where you have your carrots and onions, add your bacon and your beef. Then sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of flour. Stir it up, mix it up, and brown it a little bit just to get the floury taste out of it. This will take about 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Now add your pearl onions, your wine, and beef stock. Then put in your tomato paste and your herbs. Now with the herbs, I'm using parsley, rosemary, and thyme. Wrap your herbs in cheesecloth, tie them up tightly, and then drop that in. Get it down at the bottom of the pan. It's going to flavor your dish really well. Now bring the pot to a boil. Once it's boiling, turn it down so it's simmering. And you want to simmer that for 2 hours till it's done. Then just before, probably 15 minutes before your time is up, you want to brown your mushrooms in butter. And then add those to the pot. Let it cook probably about, another 15, 20 minutes, and then you're done.